Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, Ecotec 3 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. This from Edmunds.com. Powerful and unapologetically American, the Cadillac Escalade ESV is the big kahuna of the Escalade luxury SUV family. Cadillac, second to none. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value